Hi, what's up guys? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Merchandise Monday, and today's topic we are going to review the iPhone's charging station for not just your iPhone but also an Apple Watch, whatever other smartphone you have, and then you can also charge other tablets and other devices. But before we get on with that video, just a friendly reminder to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and also helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget to please follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram in regards to when I'm making more YouTube videos. So if you have any other questions about any of the segments throughout the week, definitely give me a holler over there. So as you can tell, here is the box, and then I'll also put the link in the description below for the product itself. So it is always, the things I review are usually from Amazon, so you can always check it out there. But always, yeah, check it down there below in the link in the description below. And let's get on with this review. Alright, and so this is the Seenda packaging. So yeah, as you can tell here, I'll make it closer. Multi-port USB charging station for AirPods with Apple Watch cell phone wireless charger ICH 66. So now we're going to open up and see what it looks like, the packaging inside. So then here, these are the dividers, the simple dividers when you're putting on different kind of tablets. As you can see here, it's going to look like this when you set it up completely, but we're just going to take it out now from the packaging. Then here, it looks like some 3M tape to hold some sort of things together. And then here's the base. This is the part for your Apple Watch, and then the AirPods probably go on top here. Take this out, and then this is the whole port station itself. And then here you go, you can flip it open like this, and then if you have to, you can tilt it. And then here you go, a little hard to see, but there is a stand right there. And then here are your dividers for the different sections, and then this is where the Apple Watch and AirPods will go. And then over here, you do have 3 USBs that do come with here. So then that's no problem. It's really nice and nifty that it comes with it already. And then this is the outlet. So you'll plug this into a power source, and then this is the cable that connects to the port itself. So now we're just going to put everything together. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so this is what it basically looks like on the stand. I know I still have to put in the cord here through the Apple Watch and the AirPods, but this is just a quick look as to see what it looks like when it's all set up, and I'm definitely going to show you guys and make sure that it works. So we're going to do that in the next couple segments. Alright, also just a heads up, when you're putting it with the Apple Watch, so this part of the USB goes inside first, and then you slide it in this way. There you go. Because at first I was having trouble as to figuring out how that is, and then you'll be able to organize it down here underneath the port. And there's definitely a lot of room for it to spin and circle up in here. And then you have the 2 USBs over here. Alright, so everything's plugged in. As you can tell on the iPad, it's definitely charging here. And then on the Apple Watch, charging. And then on my sister's phone, because I usually record with my own iPhone for these videos, you can tell it's charging there, and it's definitely working perfectly. And then I still have 2 other USBs available over there, so you can definitely plug in 2 other electronics for this whole product itself. So let's go on to the conclusion of this video. Alright, so if you guys thought this video was helpful, educational, you learned a little something today, definitely hit that like and subscribe button for more future videos on Merchandise Mondays. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. Like I mentioned earlier before, I do post a lot more on Instagram, so if you do want to give me a follow there, if you have any questions throughout the segments throughout the week, definitely give me a holler over there. But that's all I have for this Merchandise Monday. Hope you guys have a great week, and you know, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.